Hi my talented chefs, welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video I'm going to prepare a New Jersey staple, where I'm from, what we refer to as a BEC, a bacon, egg, and cheese. Now this glorious combo can go on a hard roll, a croissant, in between a few slices of toast, in a wrap, or what I'm going to prepare today, in between a bagel. Now, I normally go with an egg bagel, but I only have plain on hand. Please don't judge me too harshly. What I use to prepare this is pretty straightforward. Fresh eggs, bacon, couple slices of provolone cheese, because that's what I prefer. But most people go with American because it melts so nicely. Swiss works well. I've also done mozzarella, Gouda, Munster. You could also go no cheese, but you're going to get some nasty looks. Lastly, good old salt and pepper and some cooking spray. With that said, let's start cooking. Start off by cutting the bagel in half if it isn't already and put them in a toaster. Then spray a frying pan or a skillet with non-stick cooking spray. Heat it up and crack in a couple eggs. Now usually it's best to crack these on a flat surface so you don't get any shells into the pan, but I'm lazy and I do it right on the side of the pan. Now you don't necessarily have to do this, but I break my yolks. I normally do love a runny yolk, but I don't like biting into the sandwich and having yolk dripping down my bagel or my chin. Let the eggs cook while you get the rest of the sandwich prepared. Take the bagel out of the toaster, get your cheese lined up to it, and then get back to the eggs. Now it looks like it's about time to flip. I didn't do such a good job with this one. Don't judge too harshly. Let's see if I could do the next one better. Boom. Dunzo. Let that finish cooking. Doesn't take much longer at this point. Now, get the egg, lay it onto your bagel, get that bad boy set up, and now you need to get next to the bacon. I didn't videotape this because it's a little embarrassing, but I prepared this bacon in the microwave. Comes out just as crispy and it's easier to clean up. Once the sandwich is prepared, look at that bad boy, take in that little piece of heaven and dive in. Welcome to New Jersey. Here's a bacon, egg, and cheese for you. Now forget about it. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat.